Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Vinted notifications for new offers, messages, or items from your favorite sellers? Here's exactly how to turn them back on. Go to iPhone settings, scroll down to the list of apps to find Vinted, or just directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap notifications. Make sure allow notifications is toggled on. Set alert style to banners or alerts, not none. Turn on sounds and badges. Now scroll back to the top of your settings or go to focus directly. Once you're in there, go through each focus mode you use. Sleep, do not disturb, and make sure that Vinted is not in the list of silenced app. Also note that one user confirmed missing an important Vinted message because notifications were off. On Vinted specifically, message notifications matter a lot for sellers since buyers ask questions before buying and delayed responses can cost sales. Also confirm inside Vinted app under profile notification settings that sellers messages, offers and favorite seller alerts are turned on at the app level. So all you've got to do is go to settings, Vinted, allow notifications on, banners, focus checked in the app settings, confirmed, Vinted alerts alive, and that's it. Subscribe.